Hi, I'm Bob Kemerait, Extension Plant Pathologist at the University of Georgia, and I want to welcome you again to the Georgia Peanut Tour in 2018. I appreciate you all being here. If you've never been in Georgia before looking at peanuts, and as the bus or as the trucks drove by, you'll see field after field of lush green peanut growth, and it makes it look like growing peanuts is easy. But in fact, in a year like 2018, where we've had ample rainfall, lots of rainfall, nothing could be further from the truth. And one of the biggest problems we have with peanut production in the state of Georgia and in the southeastern United States are diseases. These diseases are caused by viruses. These diseases are caused by fungi. These diseases are caused by nematodes. We have a lot of problems. Growers put a tremendous amount of effort into managing those diseases and the nematodes. Here at Midville, as a professor at the University of Georgia, my research focuses on two aspects of disease management. First, we have a disease called tomato spotted wilt virus. I know the name is tomato spotted wilt virus, but it is one of the most potentially devastating diseases affecting peanuts. And so our research here is, can we find better ways to manage this disease by better understanding the interaction between the vector, what spreads the disease, which are small insects called thrips, and the virus itself. And if we can understand that relationship better, if we can understand the relationship between the varieties we plant, when we plant them, what the populations are, how many of those little insects are out here at the time we're planting, then we have a better idea of how we can manage it. We can come up with what we call models to predict, and our growers can use them. So some of the most important research we do here at Midville, as far as my arena, is looking at the management of tomato spotted wilt virus by integrating a number of different factors together: variety, use of an in-furrow insecticide, planting date, and monitoring thrips populations. The second aspect that I have here is we use fungicides judiciously, but fungicides are a key component of how we manage diseases, leaf spot diseases, and what we call white mold diseases, diseases that can take millions and millions of dollars to control, but if not controlled, could take tens and tens of millions of dollars in terms of yield away from us. So the research we have here is twofold. One is to find out an integrated management system for how we manage a virus, tomato spotted wilt virus. The second aspect of this is to do trials and experiments where we look and see what do we have in our arsenal today in terms of varieties and fungicides that can help us to better manage these diseases, leaf spot, white mold, and several others. The reason we do it is if growers are to remain profitable, if Georgia growers are to remain profitable, they know that they have to fight diseases. And they do this in two ways. The first way they do it is by taking the research we've produced at the University of Georgia and integrating that into their production practices. The second way they do it is more upfront. Each of our peanut farmers is investing a part of their yield into the Georgia Peanut Commission, who then invests that money into our research programs. And it's with that kind of funding that we're able to do the research that helps growers remain profitable not only today, but in the future as well.